Alright, look. I've read through your information file, and it says you meet some of our mental requirements, but I can't hire you because of, well, your species. Sorry. Sorry, man.
1 o'clock program.
Alrighty then. Next! Hey, aren't you one of those people who helped with the Banana West 17 issue?
Yeah.
Well, I've got news for you. You're hired.
Well, the only reason I chose this job was because of Quentin. He said I should work somewhere that has technology. He said he wants me to see what you guys are doing.
Well, I was friends with him in college, so you're still hired.
Oh, alright. Bye then.
See you on your first shift.
Hello, Mr. Vice Chairman. How are you doing?
Good.
Fisher got the job at Sally Plaid, by the way.
Oh, that's great news. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Oh, hi Molly.
Hey, Pitcher. So, have you noticed anything that you guys are doing that we aren't doing back at Banana?
Well, you guys don't sell kitchen appliances, obviously.
Yeah.
What's this button do? Looks like I'm gonna push it. Pepsi!
Did that microwave just explode?
Yeah, I didn't know that could happen.
Another body for me.
No.
Time to take your soul away.
No.
Death by a microwave. How did that happen?
No.
What in the sweetest meatballs are you talking about?
Love of microwaves. What happened here? Why is the Grim Reaper inside of my shop and... Fisher, are you okay?
No. I feel like I need a change. I just feel better off not looking like that.
Oh, come on, Fisher. You look great just the way you are, and we accept you for who you are.
Yeah, no one's afraid of you anymore.
I never told you you had to change.
I don't know where you got this from, but thanks. You guys are right. I don't know what I was thinking. I've always looked fine, just like this.
No worries, Fisher. It's all good.
I'll give you the whole day off. How about that?
Oh, all right. Thanks.
You're welcome. See you next shift, Fisher.
Has anybody noticed the body from earlier is still there?
Let's get out of here. Vincent, Quentin, and Darren are hanging out in HQ right now.
Yeah, I need a break from dead bodies.
Well, let's go visit them. And thanks again, all of you, for letting me know I'm good just the way I am.